moments with a stunning lap that sent the home crowd into celebration. Valentin Debise, the leading rider for EASTROC ZXMOTO factory Evan Brothers Racing, initially appeared to struggle finding his best rhythm at the circuit where he claimed his maiden victory last season. But as expected from the experienced French veteran, he delivered when it mattered most. With only seconds remaining on the clock, Debise charged to an impressive lap time of 1 minute and 53.157 seconds, just 0.015 seconds behind Arenas. Such an incredibly small margin forced Debise to settle for second place on the grid, although his performance clearly proved that he remains a major threat in the battle for victory in Race 1. In third place, Roberto Garcia of GMT94 Yamaha also showed strong pace. He had actually led the session for quite some time after setting an early benchmark lap, but late attacks from Arenas and Debise pushed him down to third. Even so, his performance sends a strong message that Garcia may be ready to bounce back after a difficult run of results, including 5 retirements in his last 6 races. Meanwhile, another home favorite, GMT94, will lead the third row from 7th on the grid. With an almost invisible gap separating Arenas and Debise, one thing is clear. WorldSSP Race 1 at Aragon is shaping up to be an intense battle from the moment the lights go out. Debise and the ZXMOTO squad will surely be eager to respond after narrowly missing pole, while Arenas is determined to prove that securing pole position on home soil was far more than just luck.